Hi, I'm Lou Mealy, Product Line Manager at VenAnt. Today we'll be discussing and unboxing VenAnt's new VenAnt Mount. The VenAnt Mount offers versatility and adjustability when deploying most antenna and radios utilizing a standard 2-inch pipe design. This unique design allows for antennas to be mounted on poles, pipes, and various wall structures. The mount has a 12 to 18-inch standoff adjustability and can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing for a vertical or horizontal positioning. This is made of high-grade, durable, rust-proof aluminum, which is even strong enough to hold me. Now it's time to unbox the VenAnt Mount to see exactly what you'll be receiving when ordered. The VenAnt Mount will come fully assembled. We can now break down the unit to further examine all of its components. This is the base assembly, consisting of the base plate and tower side horizontal pipe, which you can see here. This is the antenna pipe assembly, consisting of the vertical horizontal pipe that feeds into the base assembly. It is securely fastened with hardware, and there are rivets on the antenna pipe assembly to help reduce lag and slop when the unit is further extended from the base assembly. And now we can show the articulation and the hardware of the VenAnt Mount. There is one 3/8 stainless steel hex screw, one 3/8 flat and locking washer, and one 3/8 hex nut. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the VenAnt Mount or other Ventive Mount product offerings, visit ventivinfra.com today.